Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account without using email and phone number. You cannot do this directly from the Roblox app. So first, exit the Roblox app and open any browser on your device. Now search Roblox support and tap on this Roblox support page. Now select the date of birth you used for this Roblox account. Now tap on Next. Now fill up this form with your correct information. Now select your device type. Now select the help category type. Select account hacked or logging not possible. Select forgotten password. Now describe your problem to Roblox support. You can write, "Hello Roblox support. I forgot my Roblox password and I no longer have access to the email address or phone number linked to the Roblox account. Because of this, I cannot reset my password. Please help me to recover my account. I can provide any information needed to verify that the account belongs to me. Thank you." After fill up this form, tap on Next. After submit it, you can contact with Roblox support to recover your account without email and phone number by doing verify your information. Thank you.